The allure of the BMW E46 M3 captivated him from a young age. He would spend hours gazing at its sleek lines and powerful stance, imagining himself behind the wheel. Posters of this sleek machine adorned his bedroom walls, symbols of ambition and dreams. Each poster was a piece of his future, a constant reminder of what he aspired to achieve. YouTube videos brought the car to life, fueling his desire with the symphony of its engine. The roar of the engine was music to his ears, a melody that played in his dreams. Occasionally he'd spot one on the streets, its presence breathtaking and inspiring. Each sighting was a moment of pure joy, a glimpse into a world he longed to be part of. Each sighting was a reminder of his aspirations, a personal journey waiting to unfold. He knew that one day his hard work and dedication would lead him to his dream car. The E46 M3 was more than a car. It was an experience, a beacon of inspiration. It represented freedom, power, and the thrill of the open road. It urged him to pursue his passion with unwavering dedication. The dream was clear, a challenge to undertake, waiting on the horizon. The journey was just beginning, and the BMW E46 M3 was the ultimate destination. Years of saving led to the pivotal moment of buying his own BMW E46 M3. It was a dream he had nurtured for so long, a vision that kept him motivated through countless challenges and sacrifices. It wasn't pristine, it was worn by time, rust speckling its surface. The car's exterior told a story of neglect and abandonment, but he saw beyond the rust and the wear. Yet to him it was perfect, a challenge, a testament to his commitment. He admired the car's potential, envisioning the beauty it could become with hard work and dedication. He saw potential where others saw decay, obstacles to overcome. Each rust spot was a hurdle, but also an opportunity to prove his skills and determination. Driving it home, the sputtering engine was music to his ears. Every rattle and hum was a promise of the transformation that lay ahead, a symphony of future possibilities. Friends questioned his choice, but he remained resolute, fueled by vision. They couldn't see what he saw, the potential hidden beneath layers of rust and neglect. This was more than a project, it was a personal journey of resilience. Each repair, each improvement was a step towards realizing his dream, a testament to his unwavering spirit. The E46 M3 had found its way into his life, ready for transformation. It was not just a car, it was a symbol of hope, a canvas for his aspirations, and a testament to his enduring passion. Restoration began with the engine, dismantling it down to the last bolt and screw. Each part was meticulously inspected, cleaned, and restored to its original condition. Rebuilding it piece by piece, the engine slowly came back together, a mechanical puzzle solved with patience and precision. Hearing it roar back to life was a testament to his dedication and skill, a symphony of engineering perfection. The bodywork followed, with rusted panels replaced and dents meticulously smoothed out. Each weld was a stroke of craftsmanship. The car began regaining its former glory, the lines and curves of its body restored to their original elegance. Repainting it in Laguna Seca blue was a nod to its heritage, a spark of pride that honored its storied past. The paint glistened under the lights, a visual triumph of transformation that spoke volumes of the effort invested. The interior overhaul brought comfort and style, with every detail carefully chosen to enhance the driving experience. Modern touches, like an upgraded dashboard and touchscreen, seamlessly blended with the classic design, enhancing its charm. New wheels completed the aesthetic, adding the final touch to the car's rebirth. The car was reborn as a masterpiece, a blend of old and new, standing proudly on display. The E46 M3 exceeded his wildest dreams, a symbol of what hard work and passion can achieve. It was a testament to hard work, a journey of transformation that brought immense satisfaction. It was more than a project, it was a craft, an art form, a labor of love that turned a dream into reality. Behind the wheel of his restored E46 M3, he felt profound fulfillment. The journey was long, but every moment was worth it. The car symbolized perseverance and achievement, the culmination of dreams. Driving, he reflected on the transformation, lessons of patience and resilience. The E46 M3 was a testament to the power of dreams, a bond unbreakable. It was a reflection of his journey and growth, a part of him now, The road ahead was open, the journey far from over. The rust had given way to respect, a dream fulfilled, urging new horizons.